Hello, I'm meteorologist Austin Lacey, and this is a video web briefing on the major severe weather outbreak potential for this weekend, Saturday, April 9th and Sunday, April 10th. This briefing was recorded around 9 o'clock on Friday, April 8th. We're currently watching the first round of severe thunderstorms, which will be possible on Saturday evening. The Storm Prediction Center has placed our area in a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across the entire forecast area except the far southeastern counties of Walworth, Kenosha, and Racine. This probability of severe weather, and we have a 15% risk over all of the forecast area with a 30% risk over the far northwest portion of the forecast area. This severe weather threat will occur in the evening and overnight hours on Saturday night. Large hail will be the primary hazard. However, damaging winds and maybe an isolated tornado will also be possible. Now, the National Weather Service in Sullivan, Wisconsin has issued their weather summary, and it's a very good graphic which shows the two rounds of storms. First, the Saturday night storms, the warm front moving to the north to the area. This warm front will move north and bring very warm and humid air to the region for Sunday. This warm front will bring a first initial round of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday evening and Saturday night, some of which will and may be severe across portions of the area. Again, large hail and an isolated tornado is the main threat with this first round of storms. The warmer air will then be in place on Sunday and Sunday night, with temperatures reaching to the lower 80s across much of southern Wisconsin on Sunday. This is very unlikely for this time of year for temperatures to reach this high. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a moderate risk of severe thunderstorms for almost all of southern Wisconsin, and this includes south central Wisconsin and southwest Wisconsin, mainly to the west of Milwaukee. Now, it is very rare for the Storm Prediction Center to issue a moderate risk on a Day 3 outlook, still 3 days away. This has only happened 11 times since the Storm Prediction Center began issuing these types of outlooks. So this is a very serious situation, and everyone should continue to monitor it closely. So what will be happening on Sunday is the warm front has already moved through the region and is now across far northern Wisconsin. A cold front will then begin to emerge from the west. This cold front will bring a round of showers and thunderstorms from Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. This will bring a very high chance of severe thunderstorms, producing tornadoes, some that could be violent and dangerous, along with large hail and destructive damaging straight-line winds. Most of the upper Great Lakes region will be in line for a major severe weather outbreak during this time. Now, our weather summary here at ALAC also depicts the two rounds of thunderstorms this weekend, with the warm front moving through on Saturday evening. The cold front will then follow on Sunday. Now, the NAM forecast model shows very significant amounts of CAPE, which is convective energy, in the atmosphere. This is on the surface. It's Sunday at 4 p.m. It shows 2,500 joules per kilogram. This is a significant amount of CAPE, which will be very helpful for development of thunderstorms, many of which will be severe. So you can see this widespread area of 2,500 joules per kilogram across all the area. Also, a big part in severe weather development is shear, which is winds that are turning from height. As you can see, over 80 knots of shear is expected at the 500 millibar level of the atmosphere on 3 p.m. on Sunday. Across southwest Wisconsin will have the highest amounts of shear, but south central and southeast Wisconsin will also have at least into the 70, if not 60 knot range. This shear is in a big development part of tornadoes, and as you can see, lots of it will result in a high risk of tornadoes on Sunday. Finally, helicity is another severe weather parameter we monitor, and it is in the 300 range, and this is for the 0 to 3 kilometer of the atmosphere from the NAM forecast model as well for Sunday. So you can see all of southern Wisconsin is in this red area, which is the highest possible helicity rates. Helicity is also a big parameter in tornado development, and as you can see, so far all of the severe weather parameters are lining up very high for a tornado outbreak. Thanks for watching this weather briefing on the potential for severe weather this weekend. Everyone should be sure to monitor the situation closely, as it could become a very dangerous situation. Please be sure to stay tuned for updates. And please email us any questions or comments. My email is below at austin.lacy@alacweather.com. Be sure to follow us on our website at alacweather.com, on Facebook at facebook.com/alacweatherwisconsin, and on Twitter at austinlacywx. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email us or text us.